Does your organization supply critical assets and parts to industry? Would you benefit from real-time supply and demand data to make better inventory decisions? That's right, real-time demand data at your fingertips. Welcome to Critical Assets, an intelligent online platform for asset owners and suppliers, giving the vital knowledge to risk manage the supply chain of critical assets you can't afford to fail. Here's how it works. Jen, who works at a water utility, has discovered a 1-metre diameter pressurised water main with failed joints. The best option to manage the repairs is not to drain the millions of litres from the pipe and attempt to fix on location, but to encapsulate the failure. To do this, she requires a specialist coupling. Unfortunately, Jen's supplier needs 8 weeks of lead time to source and transport the coupling. The 8-week temporary maintenance and urgent request sees costs exceed $500,000 to repair the single failure. But it's the only option, as a community with vital health needs rely on this water main. By utilising the critical asset platform, a whole lot of time, money and stress could have been saved. Before the pressurised main failed, Jen's company would have logged the asset details as critical to their network. Suppliers can now advise cost, lead time or alternate asset options to replace or repair the assets if and when needed. The supplier now has demand data, empowering optimal stock holding and inventory decisions, resulting in a stronger cash flow and bottom line. Based on the supplier data, Jen can see that the pressurised main has procurement and lead time risks higher than acceptable if failed. The platform triggers 4 options to mitigate these risks and protect her customers. Traditional procure asset and store within their own facilities. Procure asset cost share. Share costs with other water utilities with similar risk profiles for the critical asset. Stocking agreement with the supplier who will purchase and hold the asset for a fee. Stocking agreement cost share with other entities sharing the supplier's stocking fee. All of these options see stronger supplier cash flow ahead of the reactive purchases we all experience to this day. Now Jen knows exactly where the asset is and can make her procurement decision, ensuring that the lead time is within an acceptable range with 0 service downtime in partnership with her supplier. A win, Jen's company, their suppliers and the community she serves. This is just one example of how Critical Assets is empowering utilities and suppliers to make optimised decisions and revolutionise critical asset management. To find out more, visit www.criticalassets.com.au.